today we're making a hot chocolate made out of these chocolates, and so we're making
an experiment.
Never done this before, and with these chocolates and these two glasses. When we're done, we're going to see how we do it.
Okay, so we're gonna try. We're gonna do a chocolate drink for you with oat milk, and we're going to do a coffee drink for me, and we're going to see how it turns out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, turn the machine on.
So have the machine.
Okay, first we need to put our coffee beans in. Our coffee
beans in.
So these are the ones that we use.
Okay, now try to keep our stuff tight in one.
Okay, sorry. Right, ready?
Now you put your lid on nice and tight.
Okay, so if we do yours first or mine first?
Let's do yours.
Okay, alright, so put chocolate in there. 1 chocolate, 2 chocolate, what do you think?
1, 2.
Okay, go on, put 2 in there, let's see what it's like.
Make it extra chocolatey, and we're going to keep. I want to keep these wrappers. Okay,
that's fine.
We're keeping them.
That's yours, Rosie.
So I'm going to pretend I do experiment myself with them. What happens?
Okay, so I put that there. Okay, so we need to get our coffee first for me. So let's go to latte, and let's go. I think we're going to need 11 seconds. Go on. Gently in the middle and push. Push it hard.
Push it all the way down hard.
Let go, let me see.
It will be a good mix. Then you lift it.
Wait, push harder. That's it. Now lift it. Push it down. You know, push it. Okay, that's it. That's it.
No, you lift it.
Cup there. And now we're going to put this in. Okay, put it down, down.
So now,
let's see what happens.
you put some milk.
Okay, let's do single. Because it's a single thing. Okay, right. Where's that middle button?
This one.
Yep.
What? Why is it not doing a lot? It should fill a lot.
Yeah, it's not extracting very well.
That's what you have.
Yeah. That's how much coffee comes out. So that wasn't a very good extraction. Do you think it's going to melt though? Do you think it's going to be hot enough to melt it?
No, when it melts, I'm sure it'll get even bigger.
Huh?
I'm sure when it melts, it'll get to there.
Okay, so let's put this to the side now. And see what happens to that.
Nice,
Let's
right?
do my milk first. So we're going to use oat milk. That much. Okay. Right, put it under there.
Can I pour it into your cup?
You can if you want.
I do.
Okay, so because oat milk froths a lot, let's go less on the froth, and it's glass, so we're not going to want to smash it, so let's go a little bit low on the temp. There you go. I don't want it too frothy. Oat milk froths too much otherwise.
Now stop it.
It will stop itself when it gets to the right temperature. Okay, and then that's what the coffee's looking like so far. Yeah, it's cleaning it itself. And it runs water through it so all the milk comes out and it cleans itself. There you go. You just wipe it. Okay, so you want to pour the milk?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think we should do? Should we put the milk in first or should we put the coffee chocolate in first?
First.
Okay, please don't spin
That
it.
will be a nice like mix. Oh,
Okay, careful.
that's quite a lot.
Yeah.
Now let's see what that. Can I pull that?
Okay, hold on.
That's
That
enough.
actually looks quite nice.
Yeah, but can you see that's some and that's some that's a mix too.
Yeah, that's the frothy bit, isn't it? Hey, wait. Let's mix this first.
Okay.
So dissolve the chocolate. Right, dissolve the chocolate. Squish the chocolate balls. Are they melting? Not melting?
They're melting.
Huh?
They're melting.
Yeah, they'll melt slowly.
It's Nutella too.
They're not Nutella, you know, they're Lindor balls.
They
Okay,
do-
that's it.
No.
Okay.
The straw's getting all dirty.
It's not dirty, it's chocolatey. So I kind of actually want them to be a little bit like this, so that when you're drinking it, you get bits of chocolate.
I want it. Okay, now let's pour.
Okay, but listen, I don't want big splashes from the chocolate balls, so I'm going to put the chocolate balls in first. This is actually quite hot now, so I think it's actually probably quite dangerous for you to do this because there's no pouring bit. You know the jug had the pouring bit.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get it. It won't be dangerous.
I think it will be, Elena.
No, it won't.
Listen to me. There's no pouring.
What?
There's no pouring bit on the jug, on the little glass.
But it won't be dangerous.
I think it will be.
It won't.
Alina, it's hot.
I'm doing it.
You're doing yours then.
That is good. Wow. Let's see who looks the
Right, do you want to mix it or do you want to leave it like that?
mix it. It's getting better. It's getting better.
It's getting more chocolatey, isn't it? That's why. Okay, so taste it.
I taste.
No, because it's got coffee in this one. You can't have coffee. Alright, let me taste. Okay, you only need one chocolate ball. That's way too chocolatey. Okay, so next time I make it with coffee, one chocolate ball. And we need to get more coffee in it. The coffee extraction wasn't very good.
It's not nice.
It is actually really nice. That is really good. Good experiment. Right, should we do yours now? How many chocolate balls are you going to have in yours?
One.
Okay. Yeah, it was a bit much with two. It's very yummy though. I love it. Okay. And now pour your milk.
Now I'm going to pour mine. I want it to be a warm milk.
Yeah, you don't want it too hot. Because if it was too hot, it will smash your glass. So probably go for...
No.
But you want a little bit more than me, don't you? You want a full glass. So go there.
I want it cold.
No, you didn't want to melt your chocolate ball.
Okay, a little bit more. Not too hot, okay? Just go up to one. One. enough, that's enough. Stop those.
Stop itself. Yours is going to look really nice though. You're going to have 2 layers.
What?
You're going to have the layers. Mine is getting another layer.
What?
Okay, that it's going to make a mess now. Alright, okay, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. It's going to make the one day. That same button that you did to start. You got lots of froth.
Can I pour it?
Okay, so I actually think I need another shot of coffee and more milk. Don't you think?
Okay.
Because look. Right, turn the machine back on again. Let's try.
I need to mix mine.
Yeah, yours is too hot to drink it anyway. Yours is too hot. Let it cool down. Let it melt a little bit more. Okay, so let's go for another.
Latte. Latte.
But the other one didn't go well, so I think I need a little bit less. Right, so let's work out what went wrong last time. So last time, I think it was under, so we can't increase grind amount anymore, it's really quite full. We need to make it more fine and tamp it properly. So make it more fine. So make it more fine that way. So make it 13. Yeah, no, let it get cold, Lena. It's too hot. Alright, so let's try that one. And is it on 11, 10 seconds? Okay, let's try. Go and press it. Right, let's see if that is any better. So, glass. Okay, ready? You want to press the button?
Which one?
Middle button. Ooh, a bit better?
Yes.
Better than before? Oh, kind of? Maybe? Let's slow down again.
And it's giving us less.
Yeah.
I'm pouring less.
I think it's better than last time, but still not perfect. Let's add that extra shot.
I'm fat. I'm very fat, look. I say fat, Mama, look. Look there. I say fat.
That's because it's mirrors that are distorted. Okay, so I think I'm going to have a little bit more milk and then I'm done. Yours is almost ready to drink. I think your temperature was too high. Yeah, it's still a bit warm. Okay, right, milk. Not a lot. Here you go. Half of what we did last time.
That's enough?
Half of what we did last time. Is that half of what we did last time?
That's half of.
That extra little bit of milk. Let's
Me
go.
too.
More frothy? Yeah, because my other froth is gone.
Press that.
Okay, and then temperature, that's fine. Because you don't want it to crack the glass. I think a little bit more milk. Okay, so let's add more milk. See what happens to the colour. Ooh, that's a bit nicer.
That's so nice. Hey, yours is more full than mine.
I can put more milk in yours, I don't know.
I don't want milk.
That's quite nice. Should I put more milk in yours?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Yours has... Hey, can I just put mine see if it's too hot?
So that was it. That was the little experiment.
Oh.
Lena, what did you think of the experiment?
It was good.
This is what we've ended up with. Using Lindor chocolate, Union coffee, milk chocolate for the 5-year-old, coffee mocha for me. I think we got there in the end. That was quite good. What do you think? That was quite good.
My turn to drink mine. Mine's so darker, light.
Yeah, but I think we need more help about how to get the coffee perfect. Don't you think?
Yeah.
So I think people should help us about how to make the coffee perfect. And you can try different chocolates next time. You can try Galaxy next time,
Yeah.
Oreo chocolate next time.
Or buttons.
Or button.
Or Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Or Oreos.
Oreos might have to crush Oreos. Oreos won't melt. Might have to crush them first.
Yeah, we'll try Oreos.
Yeah, we can try Oreos.
Good
job.
And chocolate.
Orange chocolate.